Hello, my name's John from TLE Sports Coaching. Welcome to today's Maths on the Move active quiz. Hopefully by now you know what you need to do, so I'm going to shortly be asking you 10 different questions. Once you know that question, what you're going to do is do the action associated with it. You hold it for as long as you can and keep doing the action, repeating it over and over again. At the end, when I give you the correct answer, hopefully you can gain yourself a point. Remember, calculate all your points and see what total you get at the end. Okay, does that all make sense? Are we ready? Let's get going. Question 1, quick calculation here. What is 75 pence plus £5.50? So that's 75 pence plus £5.50. I'll give you a few seconds just to work it out. Okay, remember how it goes. Do you think it's answer A, £6.25? If you think it's this one, you do the star jumps. If you think the answer is B, £6, here you do the jab punches. Or if the answer is C, £5.75, please do the pendulum legs. Okay, you think you got the answer? Let's get doing the actions. Great work if you thought the answer was A. It's at £6.25. So you should have been doing the star jump, so well done. Give yourself a point. Question 2. What is the value of 3 in the number 357? So what's the value of 3 in this number 357? Give you a few seconds, just have a think about it. Do you think the answer is A, 100s or 300s? Here you do the windmill. If the answer is B, 310s, you do the running on the spot. Or if you think the answer is C, 3, you do the donkey kicks. Okay, let's go. Great work everyone, well done. The answer was actually A, it's 357, so it's actually 300s. So you should have been doing the windmills. Question 3, look at the compass there. Now we're looking about bearings and turning and angles. So if I'm facing north, but I turn 2 right angles, in which direction will I be facing? So I'm facing north and I'm going to turn through 2 right angles. What direction would I be facing? Few seconds just to have a think about it. Okay, do you think the answer is A, west? Here you'll do the star jumps. Or if you think the answer is B, east, you work on those burpees. Or if you think the answer is C, south, here you run on the spot and do those high knees. Okay, let's get going. Great stuff. If you answered C, in fact south. So it doesn't actually matter which direction you start turning. So to do 2 90-degree angles, you always end up to the south. So you should have been doing the high knees. Give yourself a point. Well done. Okay, question 4. John is 167 centimeters tall. Kaylee is 155 centimeters tall. Now, how much taller is John than Kaylee? So look at the 2 numbers. How much taller is John than Kaylee? A few seconds just to have a think about it. If you think the answer is A, 12 centimeters, you can do some bouncing on the spots. If you think the answer is B, 10 centimeters, you're going to hold that balance. Remember, hold it for as long as you can. Or if you think the answer is C, 8 centimeters, you can do those spotty dogs. So you've got your answer. Okay, let's do the activity. Brilliant work, well done. Now hopefully you got the answer of A, 12 centimetres. John is 12 centimetres taller than Kaylee, so you should have been bounced on the spot. So give yourself a point on that one, brilliant work, well done. Question 5. Now we're going to look at your angle. Look at that angle on screen. What is it? How many degrees do you think it is? A few seconds, just have a look and think. If you think the answer is A, 120 degrees, you're going to do the butterfly. If you think the answer is B, 60 degrees, you're going to work on those back flicks. Or if you think the answer is C, 340 degrees, you're going to hold that balance. Remember, hold that balance for as long as you can. Okay, you've got your answer? Brilliant, let's do the action. Brilliant work, great activity being shown there, well done. Now this is quite tricky because you can't measure it, so you've got to use your angle knowledge. So the answer is actually A, 120 degrees. So you should have been doing the butterfly action. Well done, give yourself a point if you got it correct. Now question 6, look at the shape in question 6, shape A. Now think about it, how many right angles are there inside the shape? How many right angles are there in the shape? A few seconds just to have a think about it. Okay, do you think it's answer A, 2 right angles? If you think it's this one, you're going to do the pendulum legs. Do you think the answer is B, 3 right angles? Again, if you think it's this one, you're going to do the bend and shoot technique. Or do you think the answer is C, 4 right angles? If you think it's C, 4 right angles, you can do the balance. Remember, as with all balances, hold it for as long as you can and as still as you can. Okay, got your answer? Brilliant. Let's do the action. Now, quite a tricky one there. Hopefully you got the answer of C, of 4 right angles. You should have been holding that balance really still. Well done. Give yourself a point. Question 7. If a square has equal sides of 9 centimeters, what is the perimeter? If a square has equal sides of 9 centimeters, what is the perimeter? Few seconds just to calculate that one out. Okay, do you think the answer is A, 27 centimeters? Do the star jumps. If you think the answer is B, 36 centimeters, do the jab punches. Or if you think the answer is C, 18 centimeters, you do the pendulum legs. Okay, got your answer? Brilliant, let's do the action. Great work, everyone. Look, brilliant. Well done. Now, hopefully you got the answer of B, 36 centimeters, because each side being 9, so 9 times 4 will give us 36. Brilliant work. Give yourself a point for that. Question 8. Now, what is the difference between 403 and 99? So what's the difference between 403 and 99? A few seconds just to have a think about it. Have you got your answer? Do you think it is A, 296? If you think it's A, do the windmill action. If you think it's B, 300, here you'll do the running on the spots. And if you think it's C, 304, you're going to do the donkey kicks. Okay, now you got your answer, let's do the action. Great stuff, well done. Now hopefully you've got the answer C, which is 304. So you should have been doing the donkey kicks. Give yourself a point, well done. Now penultimate question, question 9. Now multiplication, so what is 8 multiplied by 8? 8 times 8, what do we think the answer is? A few seconds just to work it out. Do you think the answer is A, 56? Here you'll do the star jumps. Do you think the answer is B, 64? If you think it's this one, you do the burpees. Or do you think it's answer C, 72? Here you're going to do the high knees. So think about what you've got, make sure you got your right answer. Now let's do the action. Well done everyone, great work. The answer was actually B, 64. And the old saying, I ate and I ate till I was sick on the floor. 8 times 8 is 64. Well done, give yourself a point. Now, question 10. Fred started running at 12:45. He ran for 1.5 hours. What time did he finish? Okay, do you think the answer is A, 2:30? If you think it's this one, you're going to do bouncing on the spot. Do you think the answer is B, 2 o'clock? If you think it's this one, you're going to hold that balance. Remember, hold the balance for as long as you can. Or do you think answer C, 2:15? Here you're going to do the spotty dogs. Okay, let's give it a go and do the action you think. Well done everyone, brilliant. If you got the answer of C, give yourself a point. It was 2:15, so you should have been in the spotty dogs. Well done. Wow, fantastic work everyone. That looked brilliant, okay? Give yourself a round of applause for that. Now, hopefully you've been calculating your scores. Did anyone get 10 out of 10? And if you did, brilliant work. If you didn't quite get 10, not to worry. Join us next time and hopefully you can beat your score week on week. Lovely to see you. Bye-bye.
The world around us is changing. You're faced with the new challenge of homeschooling your children. For some, this is a worrying prospect, and for those who are expected to work from home, it's a near impossible task. We worry that our children will fall behind, especially in the core subject areas of English and maths. Adding variety to your daily routine, whilst keeping your children motivated to learn and remembering to stay active, can be really difficult. The Mighty Maths home learning platform has been developed to help you right now. It keeps your children motivated, boosts confidence, and improves attainment in the fundamentals of maths through fun and frequent practice. Using the concept of active learning, Mighty Maths combines fun, on-demand videos to keep your children active, with short sets of varied maths arithmetic challenges. Written by teachers and used by primary schools nationwide, Mighty Maths has been developed in line with the national curriculum, so you can rest assured that the questions your children are tackling are appropriate for their age. And using it is really straightforward. There's no need for any printing. Simply select your video, work out with Tom, and then tackle the maths questions, all on any device. The answers are waiting to be revealed, meaning your children can evaluate their progress straight away. We want to help as many households as possible during this period, so we've reduced the price from £60 to just £5 until the 22nd of May. This gives you access to a library of workout videos and maths challenges for your child to tackle. And to keep things fresh, content is updated every 20 days. And like you, we want to support our NHS heroes however we can, which is why £1 of every Mighty Maths purchase will be donated to the NHS. To start using Mighty Maths in your daily homeschool routine, sign up today.